When people checking about the new privacy policy of WhatsApp, Elon Musk tweeted use Signal. After that, many people find about the Signal application. Today, the application is on the trending list. And more than 10 million people have downloaded this. Signal is a non-profit organization that started in 2014. It's run on donations. The Signal is safer than WhatsApp as even UK politicians made the switch for privacy. So, today we are going to compare WhatsApp and Signal applications. First, I selected a screen lock feature of the Signal application. When using WhatsApp screen lock feature, we have to select screen lock for WhatsApp application. But, in the Signal application, you can use your phone screen lock to the app. First log in, you have to set a PIN. The PIN is very important. Anyone can't access your account without a PIN. Think, you lost SIM card. In WhatsApp, someone can access your account with verifying SIM notification. But in the Signal application, if he has not this PIN, he can't log in. Next on is Note Self. You can store your data for you. Pictures, messages etc. Even you are offline, you can access Note Self. It is one of the best features I saw in the Signal application. You can store the messages and read it free time. Next feature, Blur Face Edit. It's mean if you send images to others, you can blur faces in the pictures. That is a good feature I saw in the Signal application. You can see disappearing messages in the Signal application. Range 5 seconds to 1 week. Good range. Next, Screenshots Block feature. You can't see this feature in WhatsApp. Anyone cannot get screenshots of your chats when you are using this feature. When we are typing, keyboard store it and next time, the keyboard shows suggestions. In Signal application, you can use incognito version. Finally, I selected View Once Media feature. You can send media, it only can open one time. You can see this feature in Instagram, but has not in WhatsApp. That's an important one.